Hey everyone, this is a video of this 52-inch Hunter Charlotte fan in my living room. It was kind of cool, of it. It's kind of huge thing. Not the hugest thing to use, but it's 52-inch. That's the logo over there, and over there is the pull chains. As you can see, this goes to the light, and this goes to the fan. And to that, here's the light. Yeah, it wobbles on high speed, so here's low. This is only going to be showing on reverse. So here's low. Here's low. It's kind of cool. It has a sure speed over. Yeah, it's sure speed, so yeah. And it's kind of cool when you saw it. Yeah. And it's running. Here's medium. This is medium. It doesn't do that wobble. So yeah. And yeah. So yeah. And over here, we'll turn up to high. This is high speed. Yeah, if you don't know, this is what it wobbles. If you don't know, it's kind of wobbly. It's kind of nice. Here's the light. You see it's wobbly. And I'll do a short video of it. The blades are not reversible, so yeah. Alright, okay. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for some notifications.